Hello guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily find and use trending sound effects in CapCut to make an awesome edit. So I usually use these sound effects to in between the videos to add a dramatic effect on the transitions, and in here I'm going to show you how you can find the trending one. So here I'm going to delete the audio, the current audio that I added, and I'm going to click on add audio again and go to the sound effects. Now in here there will be this trending category where you can find lots of trending sound effects that you can add to your edit. So let's say I'm going to add this magic refill. Just click on the plus icon and it will be automatically added to your projects like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.